point where he really wants to move, but he can't, and he's frustrated.
You moved. You moved. Here, look. Go again. Do it again. Do it again. Lean back.
He's like, no.
No?
I'm not going to.
See? Yeah, that was you. Almost.
Simon's laughing at it.